Hello everyone, myself Sachin Zadav, Assistant Professor, SSCPS College, Shindakheda, District Dhule. So many people have faced the problem related to create the PDF documents which is in hard copy. There are two options to create the PDF documents. First is by using the app from the Play Store, or another option is without using any kind of app by using only online website. Firstly, here I am going to show creation of PDF documents with the help of app. There is a Cam Scanner, one of the best app to create the PDF file or PDF documents. First, click on Cam Scanner from your mobile. Then click on camera option. Here the brightness of your mobile is on high level. Then scan your documents. After scanning first page, Cam Scanner allow you to crop your documents. Just crop the documents. Then click on OK option. Then select the next page of your documents and click on camera option. Cam Scanner automatically crop your documents if you take the pics of your documents from far distance. Then next page. If Cam Scanner take you the image like this, then you can change your document by changing that dots and click then next option. After that, click on OK, and likewise you can add several pages. Then you can click on PDF option from here, and your PDF document has been created in your file manager folder, which is commonly known as a Cam Scanner folder. Okay, then another option is creating documents without PDF. Here Cam Scanner folder I have been open, and the documents which just I have created by using Cam Scanner app. The sequence of the documents scanning and clarity of the documents has been maintained by this app. Then another tool or another method to scan to creating the PDF without using any kind of application. Just click on the image option which we have been just scan and move it in any folder as you like. Here I have been moving videos folder and rename it with a particular name or number, because we want to arrange these documents in a particular sequence. First number, it is not needed to rename the file, but for maintaining the sequence we know the number of file, name of the file or number of the file, because the arrangement of documents is in proper sequence. We can joint or create documents having n number of pages. Then click on any browser in your mobile. Then enter the website DocPub or search it in Google DocPub. The DocPub website has been appeared on your screen. DocPub.pdf convert. Here there are several options to create documents: document converter, com PDF, merge PDF, resize PDF. From document convert you can convert your image word file into another format. Compress PDF to reduce the size of your file, which is in 10 MB to 1 MB or any other number. Then third option is merge PDF. Here we want merge PDF option. As we rename our file in number 1 or 2 or 3, which is in format of image, but in DocPub we haven't needed any basic format. We will save the file in my folder. Recently modified my folder videos. These are the documents 1, 2, 3. Just click on 1. The file has been uploaded on your DocPub website. Then choose another document. Second. And then click on merge file. This website takes some time to create the merge PDF file. After that, the file size and file name has been appeared on our screen. which is by name of merge PDF. Just click on that name. Your PDF file appear on your screen or download in the download folder. It takes some time. With the help of this website or CAM scanner folder, we can easily convert or create the PDF file. If you have CAM scanner application, then it is easy to create the PDF file without accessing the net. And if you haven't any kind of application, then by the use of internet you can create the PDF documents. The documents which we have been uploaded on this website we can take by using camera. This file has been opened. These three documents has been attached to each other and downloaded in the folder of download folder, which is in file manager. So these are the two different types of method to create the PDF documents. Hope you can understand. Thank you.